So right now we're going to do a test, and we're going to see if this purge valve is stuck open. Disconnected the connector. It should be stuck closed right now. Disconnected this hose, this evap hose, and basically if I get vacuum here, that tells me this is stuck open, and then this is defective, but we'll see. I appreciate you all for watching this video. If you gained value, make sure to like and subscribe so I can see you in the next one.